What is up, everyone? So today it is 5:46 a.m. on Saturday, October 6th, and today is the day of my junior trip. The reason that I am looking terrible right now is because I just woke up. I don't even think half my parents aren't awake right now. But you may be asking yourself, Scott, why are you so excited to be going to a party that you've probably gone to multiple times in the 6-7 years that you've lived in Virginia? Well, I've only been once to Howl O Scream. And this time it'll be with my junior class. I'll be with my friends. I'll show you guys. I'll introduce everyone once I get to my school, okay? Yeah, so through the magic of editing, you will see me transform into a less disgusting version of myself. Hi everyone, I'm on the bus. I'm with my best friend Lee. Surprisingly enough, my friend, most of my friend group got separated. So thankfully I found one friend. Thank you. So we haven't left yet. We're still at my school. It's pandemonium trying to get everyone onto the right bus. So I think that when I get into the park, I might start again, but I may also include some B-roll travel footage, so be ready for that. This lighting's better than my house. Oh.
Sorry, am I in your way? I look so good.
No, I was including you in my vlog.
Am I?
You did say What? Don't judge me. I don't know what to say. This is kind of just I don't even know what to do when vlogging. We're heading to New France, which is transformed into Axe Alley during Howl O Scream, which... Oh! Man! Man!
Wait. Stay there.
I look chocolatey for once.
You look so cute. Oh, I love these.
So we decided to take a break from riding rides. Literally riding 2 rides. But we're waiting for some friends right now, and it's pretty nice out here. The weather's not too bad. I'm sorry if you can't hear me over the roller coasters. Thank you. But we're taking pictures right now, which is really nice. That's one of the main reasons I want to come on this trip, because I know my friends are coming on this trip and I want to take pictures. So.
And I've brought along
my hands are shaking.
Ghouls and creeps!
Okay, so Howl O Scream just started. It included a lot of screaming, yelling out, "This ain't Chief College, this ain't it."
What up? You got to get haunted in this house. You already know what's going on.
And a lot of people crying.
There's only one person.
A lot of people crying.
And some babies.
Those are people.
You're right.
So yeah, our first house that we're gonna hit is Vault XX or Vault 20, whatever you want to call it.
Are you a vlogger?
Not really.
Are you famous? Oh my god.
No. Yeah, that's the situation right now. I'm sweaty. I'm starting to sweat. And I have long sleeves on, which I didn't have on for part of the day because it was really hot, but now it's 70. It was 80. I guess only time will tell. So, review of Vault XX or Vault 20. McKenna. I mean, it was good. I didn't get scared, personally, because I was screaming yes, you're doing great, sweetie, good job, I love what you did with the place, nice hair. I turned it into comedy, and that was the first house that I've ever been in that I have not screamed. So, I honestly genuinely felt confident going in. This is a perfect, first-time house. I would totally recommend it for those that are, wanting a smooth entrance into Howl O Scream, not, going straight into, Lumberhack, where they have a bunch of chainsaws, corner where you don't know where they're going to pop out from. So now we're going to go get dinner. we're gonna go eat dinner at the Fest House. I'm so excited. Yeah, and then we're gonna break that glow sticks later. It's gonna be looking nice. Dark now. As you see, I brought out my glow sticks. So we joined up with some friends and went through a house, and we just kind of like hung out. Like that's the whole part about this. It's the part of junior was like to celebrate that like we're juniors, like we get more freedom. But now we're going to Griffin because I've only ridden one roller coaster and that wasn't fair. So I need like some high speed action, like a 90-degree. Yeah, I need a 90-degree jump, speed, like. I had a lot of fun. So I will catch up when we're back on the bus because it seems like I don't even want to. Like I'm scared that somebody will like pop up behind me. So yeah.